Hello and welcome to your first front-end tutorial. Each tutorial has a rating from 0 to 10, 0 being a total beginner and 10 being a very advanced user. This tutorial is meant to be your first baby step into the front-end development world. So anyways, without so much ado, open a new file using your favorite text editor. If you're using Windows, you can use Notepad. If you're using Mac, you can use TextEdit. If you're using Linux, you can use VI, and type into it what you see on the screen right now. Don't copy paste it from the link you see in the video. This is pure evil. Type it in. Now let me give you a little bit of a technical background. With HTML, for every start tag there needs to be a matching end tag. If for a start tag there is no matching end tag, browsers will interrogate you. Name the file hello.whatsapp.html. If you are using Windows, make sure that it doesn't rename the file to hello.whatsapp.html.txt. Unhide the file extensions from the folder options and rename it. Now open the file using your favorite internet browser. Change the title to Hello WhatsApp and save the file. Now refresh the page in the browser and note the title change after you refresh. In the body, type in what you see on the screen right now. Resist your devil when it tells you to copy-paste the text. Do not do it. If you have any questions, please send me a comment in the YouTube video or make a post on the Facebook page and I'll respond to that. Do not send me a private message, I wouldn't respond to that. I'm a big advocate of information sharing, and this is why I would only respond to questions that are public. Others are more than welcome to participate in answering as well. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and like our Facebook page, and until I see you next time, have a great one!